Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Z Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about the defects of vision, or we can state that certain malfunctions of sight, and we are going to discuss what are the causes of these defects and how these defects can be corrected. Let's start with our topic. There are usually three defects of vision or three malfunctions of vision. One is myopia, or we can call it as short sightedness or near sightedness. Next is hypermetropia, that is called as long sightedness or far sightedness. And then there is another defect that is called as presbyopia, or we can state that there are three defects of vision: myopia, hypermetropia, and presbyopia. Let us start or let us discuss all these defects one by one. First, it is myopia. Myopia is that defect of vision, or we can state that it is that type of malfunction in which a person cannot see the distant objects clearly, or we can state that a defect in which any human being cannot see the distant objects clearly, although he can see the nearby objects clearly, but he is not able to see the distant object clearly. The cause or the reason for the such type of defect is due to high converging power of eye lens, or we can state that due to high converging power of eye's convex lens, or we can also state that due to short focal length. Such type of defect is caused in humans. Also, the eyeball, or we can state that the spherical nature of the eye is very much long, or eyeball is so much long, due to which there is occurrence of myopia, or there is occurrence of short or near sightedness. In case of myopia, the ciliary muscles attached to eye lens, do not relax sufficiently to make the eye lens thinner to reduce its converging power. Due to this reduction in the converging power, the focal length of the lens is very much longer. Or we can state that these are the ciliary muscles. These ciliary muscles attached to the convex lens or to the eye lens, they not relax sufficiently so that eye lens can become thinner, due to which there is reduction in converging power. Due to reduction in converging power, this focal length, it becomes longer, and one is able to observe the distant objects clearly. But in case of myopia, the case is not like the ciliary muscles do not relax sufficiently, due to which there is high converging power of eye lens, which results in the decrease of focal length, due to which any person is not able to see the distant objects, as the image of the distant object is formed in front of the retina. Suppose there is the parallel rays that are coming from any object that are at infinity. When they go through this eye lens, they undergo refraction, or when they go through the eye lens, or when they undergo refraction after passing through the eye lens, they intersect at a point. That point is in front of the retina, and that point of intersection of these refracted rays is the point of image, and image is formed in such case in front of the retina, and that person is not able to see the object very clearly. In another case, any person suffering from myopia, the eyeball is too long, due to which
Retina is a larger distance from the eye lens, due to which the image of the distant object is formed in front of the retina, and such defects are usually corrected by decreasing the converging power of eye lens. Another case for the formation of this myopia is that the eyeball is too long. Here the eyeball is a spherical, but sometimes it can be a little bit elliptical shaped, due to which there is increase in the distance. There is increase of the distance of this retina from this lens, due to which image is formed in front of this retina. And such defects are usually corrected by using a concave lens. And this use of concave lens in spectacles, it usually decreases the converging power of the eye lens, and any person is able to see the image of the distant object by use of this concave lens, and the use of concave lens is only to reduce this converging power of the eye lens. So this was the first defect of vision, and in this particular defect we learned that myopia is that defect in which any person is not able to see the distant objects, and this defect is due to high converging power of eye lens, or it is that eyeball is too long. Such type of defects are usually corrected by using concave lens. That was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.